Hello, I'm due to be in court tomorrow. That's Thursday, 29th July 2010. My local council seem to think that my person owes them some sort of money for services. They call this council tax. Many of the so-called normal people I speak to would be, and indeed have been, horrified when I tell them that I don't pay. They seem to think in some way it drags them down. I don't really understand that. All I'm saying is that I do not wish to be forced, and that's right everyone, I said forced, to pay money for services. If I choose to, then it's a different story entirely, isn't it? But for now I simply want to say thanks but no thanks. The fact is they will not let you do that, and thus, as my friend Mark Stevens would say, governments are nothing more than men and women providing services at the barrel of a gun. Despite me informing them on many occasions I do not require their services, it would appear they are forcing me to pay them. They keep making statements to me such as,
"You are liable. Council tax is enforced under the Local Government Finance Act. We understand you require factual evidence that you are liable to pay and that the payment sent is invalid. We can inform you that you are liable and the payment sent is invalid."
As the sensible man, you will know the answers they give are in actual fact mere statements or opinions, and those of you in the know will understand that in this country you are innocent until proven guilty, in theory anyway, and thus the burden of proof lies upon the accuser. I don't personally think making statements is proof, do you? Anyone that does, then try this statement: "My local council owes me £1 million. Anyway, this video is in a number of segments, and is basically a script of what I think might happen when I'm in court. Some kind people from a website called Freedom Rebels are due to be joining me in court, because I don't trust these people as far as I can throw them. They have not put me in front of magistrates and claim this is an attempt to help me in some way. They have instead decided to place me straight in front of what is called a district judge. There must be a reason for this, and I suspect it is, so they can screw me over in some way. Interestingly enough, last time I was in front of a district judge who claimed he had 40 years experience, I discovered that he simply just lied through his teeth about everything he said. I do not expect this to be an accurate portrayal of what will happen when I'm in court. It is also not legal advice, it's just my opinion and a bit of a laugh.